Symptoms of a bad ignition switch. The ignition switch is a vital electronic component in many vehicles, typically found on the steering column alongside the ignition lock cylinder. It plays a crucial role in starting your car by powering the ignition system. Even in the age of keyless ignition, many vehicles still rely on a physical key to start. Now, let's explore the key symptoms of a faulty ignition switch that you should never overlook. 1. Engine won't start. A damaged ignition switch can cut off power to the starter motor and other essential engine controls, rendering your engine unresponsive. Keep in mind that other mechanical or electrical problems, such as a dead battery or a faulty starter solenoid, can exhibit similar symptoms. Therefore, it's advisable to seek the expertise of a certified technician for an accurate diagnosis. 2. Unexpected engine stalls. If your vehicle suddenly shuts down while you're driving, it could be a sign of ignition switch trouble. The ignition and fuel systems might lose power, leading to an engine stall. 3. Loss of interior lighting and accessories. A malfunctioning ignition switch could lead to temporary disruptions in your car's interior lighting, dashboard lights, and other accessories. 4. Silent starter motor. When your starter motor remains silent, a faulty ignition switch might be the cause. However, if you encounter this issue, try starting the vehicle in neutral to rule out any problems with the neutral safety switch. Clicking noises from the motor might indicate issues other than the ignition switch. 5. Key turning issues. Difficulty in turning the key or a stuck key can be another indication of a problematic ignition switch. Keep in mind that this issue often relates more to the ignition lock cylinder than the electrical part of the switch. And there you have it. These are the unmistakable symptoms of a failing ignition switch. While newer vehicles are featuring keyless systems, having a basic understanding of the ignition switch can still prove invaluable in certain situations. If you found this video informative, please show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.